Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss the PYQs of KCET and Comedk on probability. Right? Hi Arsha, Kailasha Shri, hi. So this is part one, guys. So before I start, please do subscribe, enable the bell icon so that you get notification for all our classes. If you've already subscribed, please do share this video at the end of the session and go through the description link below. All right, let us start, guys. Question number one. Okay, question number one. If A and B are two events, good afternoon, Prajwal. If A and B are two events, such that P of A cannot be 0, right? Subdivision 1, A is a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, obviously A intersection B is equal to B only, right? A is present in B. Sorry, if A is present in B, A intersection B will be equal to A only. Right, now I'm supposed to find out what is P of B given A. P of B given A is equal to P of B intersection A divided by P of A. So this is equal to P of A intersection B is same as A divided by P of A. This will be equal to 1. Right, this is first subdivision, case number 1. Okay, subdivision 2. It is given in the question that A intersection B is a null set. If A intersection B is a null set, then obviously probability is 0, right? P of A intersection B will be 0. And I'm supposed to find out what is P of B given A. P of B given A is equal to P of B intersection A. P of B intersection A divided by P of A. So this is 0 because P of A intersection B is 0. Probability is 0. So answer is 1 and 0. That is answer is option D. Right? Let's move to the next question. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Probability of obtaining a total score of 5. See, actually N of S is equal to 6 into 6, right? Now two dice are thrown simultaneously. Probability of obtaining a score of 5. The probability that the sum is 5. Sum is 5. This is equal to N of 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 4, 1 divided by N of S. Okay, so this is 4 by 36, which is equal to 1 by 9. Right, answer is 1 by 9. Answer is option A. Right, or there's another shortcut I'll tell you in the other questions, similar questions. Question number 3. P A and B are independent events. P of A dash is given, P of B dash is given. So if P of A dash is equal to 2 by 3, P of A dash is 1 minus P of A, right? Which is equal to 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to P of A. Now P of A is equal to 1 by 3. P of B dash is equal to 2 by 7. 1 minus P of B is equal to 2 by 7. 1 minus 2 by 7 is equal to P of B. Now P of B is equal to 5 by 7. Right, now I'm supposed to find out what is P of A intersection B, right? It's already mentioned that A and B are independent. If A and B are independent, P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. P of A is equal to 1 by 3 and P of B is equal to 5 by 7. Okay, this is 5 divided by 21. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 4. It's a question on binomial distribution, Bernoulli's theorem. A box contains 10 bulbs, out of which 10 are defective. A sample of 5 bulbs are drawn, so this means that n is equal to 5. What's the probability that none is defective? So drawing a defective is a success. success is equal to 10 out of 100 are defective. So success is probability of 10 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 10. P is equal to 1 by 10, Q is equal to 1 minus P. Okay, Q is equal to 1 minus P. Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10. So Q is equal to 9 by 10. Right, now P of X is equal to R. P of X is equal to R is equal to NCR P power R Q to the power of N minus R. Right, none is defective. Probability of X is equal to 0. That's equal to 5C0, 1 by 10 power 0, 9 by 10 whole to the power of N minus 0, that is 5 minus 0. 5C0 is 1, 1 by 10 power 0 is 1, is 9 by 10 whole power 5. This is same as 9 by 10 whole power 5. Answer is option C. Isn't it, Prajwal? Answer will be option C only. Question number 5. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. The probability that the sum of numbers which come up on the dice should be more than 5. See, when two dice are rolled, minimum sum is 2. Right? If two dice are rolled, sample space is equal to 1, 1 to 1, 6. 1, 1 to 1, 6 and so on up to 6, 1 to 6, 6. 1, 1 to 1, 6, 6, 1 to 6, 6. This is the sample space. Okay, so sum should be more than 5. When two dice are rolled, sum of two numbers on the dice is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Right, when two dice are rolled, minimum is 2, maximum is 12. When three dice are rolled, minimum sum is 3, maximum is 18. So I'll take the middle term. Okay, 5 on the left, 5 on the right. Middle term is 7th term only. So let's take like this. This will be sum. This will be sum. This will be probability. So sum, this is probability. Sum is equal to 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. Middle term is 7. This is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, now take the probability like this. Start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right in the reverse order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so take sum, take probability. Sum should be more than 5. So this means sum should be greater than 5. Greater than 5 means sum should be equal to 6. Sum should be equal to 7. And so on up to sum should be equal to 12. Okay, probability of A is n of A by n of S. Total outcome is 36. Right, probability of getting sum 6. Probability of getting sum 6 is 5. Probability of getting sum 7 is 6. Similarly, this is 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this will be equal to probability of getting sum 6 is 5. And then you get this as 6 and then 5, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Right, you add all this, you get 26 by 36. 26 by 36, so this is equal to 13 by 18. Answer is option D. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 6. The probability distribution of x's. See, actually some x is given, find the value of k. Sum of all probabilities should be 1, right? Sum of all probabilities will be equal to 1. So you add all the probabilities, you will get 0.2 plus k plus 2k is equal to 1. You add all this, you get 5k is equal to 1 minus 0.2. 5k is equal to 0.8 by 0.8. Okay, and then 0.2 plus k plus 2k is equal to 1. So this is 4, right? Sorry, this is 4. You will get 4k is equal to 0.8. Okay, 4k is equal to 0.8. Now 4k is equal to 8 by 10. This will cancel 2 times. K is equal to 0.2. Answer is option A. Isn't it, guys? Answer should be option A only. Right. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. A box contains six red marbles numbered from 1 to 7 and 4 white marbles numbered from 12 to 15. So six red marbles numbered from 1 to 6. 4, 5, 6. And then 4 white marbles numbered from 12 to 12 through 5, 15. There is 12, 13, 14 and 15. Find the probability that a marble drawn at random is white and odd number. The probability of drawing a white and odd. Okay, so total how many are there? 6 plus 4 is 10, right? Total 10 are there. Probability of drawing a white marble and odd numbered. White and odd is 13 and 15. It should be white, it should be odd. So numbers are 12 and 13 only. 12 and 15, sorry. 12 and 15 only. It should be odd, right? It should be odd and it should be a white marble. There should be 13 and 15. So this is 2 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 5. Answer is option B. Isn't it, guys? Let's move to the next question. 2 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What's the probability that both are aces? Okay, first should be an ace and second should be an ace. 2 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What's the probability that both are aces? First should be an ace and second should be an ace. Probability of drawing first ace. Probability of drawing first ace will be equal to 4 by 52. And probability of drawing a second ace is 3 by 51. So this is 1 by 13 into 1 by 17. 1 divided by 221. Right, answer is option B. Yes, Prajwal, right. Question number 29. Question number 9. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Probability of obtaining a total score of 5. Okay, this is easy. Directly you can do. Probability that the sum should be 5. Sum equal to 5. So this is equal to sum 5 means 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2 and 4, 1 divided by n of s. So this is 4 by 36, which is equal to 1 by 9. Right, answer is option B. Question number 10. It's a direct question, right? P of A given B, right? P of A given B is P of A intersection B divided by P of B. P of A intersection B is 7 by 10 and P of B is equal to 17 by 20. This is 7 by 10 into 20 by 17. This will cancel 2 times. You get 14 upon 17. Answer is option B. Right? Yes, Prajwal, right. Question number 11. Sum of all probabilities is 1, right? I'm supposed to find the value of K. Sum of all probabilities is 1. Okay, sum of all probabilities will be equal to 1. Yes, Anu, these questions are from Exemplar and some are from NCRT MCQs. If you take the previous recent papers, most of the questions they ask from Exemplar only. Is that okay, Anu? Some worked-out examples I have picked, some exercise questions I have picked, and there are some NCRT MCQs. Standard questions. Sum of all probabilities is 1. Alright, this If I add all this, you get 0.3. This is 0.3. Plus if you add k plus 2k plus 2k is 5k is equal to 1. You get 5k is equal to 0.7. 5k is equal to 7 by 10, right? Now 5k is equal to 7 by 10. This is 5k is equal to, you can write this as 7 by 10. Okay, now this is equal to 5k is equal to 0.7, right? 0.7 by 5 will be equal to 0.14. So directly I can do here itself. I can divide this. You get this as k is equal to 0.7 upon 5. Okay, so this is equal to 0.14. Isn't it, guys? Answer is option D. 0.7 by 5 will be 0.14. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 12. The events A and B will be independent if, even this is asked in previous KCET. Actually, it's an exemplar question only. If A and B are independent, A and B is mutually exclusive, not possible. P of A is equal to P of B is not possible. P of A plus P of B equal to 1 is not possible. But first is possible. P of A dash intersection B dash will be equal to P of A dash into P of B dash, because they are independent. P of A dash is 1 minus P of A, and P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B. Right, answer is option A only. Question number 13. The probability of happening an event is 0.5. This is capital B. The probability of happening an event is 0.5. So P of A is equal to 0.5. And P of B is equal to 0.3. 0.3. A and B are mutually exclusive events. Then probability of mutually exclusive means A intersection B should be null set. Okay, that is probability of A intersection B should be 0. Now then the probability of neither A nor B, that is P of A bar intersection B bar, neither A nor B, same as P of A bar into P of B bar. P of A bar is 1 minus P of A, right? And P of B bar is 1 minus P of B, right? This is 1 minus 0.5 into 1 minus 0.3. Sorry, they are not independent, right? As P of A bar intersection B bar, it's not mentioned it is independent. It says mutually exclusive. So I can write this as P of A bar intersection B bar is A union B whole bar, right? P of A bar is 1 minus P of A union B. Right, now this is equal to 1 minus, this is P of B. P of A union B is the P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. A intersection B is a null set, probability is 0. 1 minus of this fellow is 0.5 plus 0.3. Okay, you get this as 1 minus 0.8, which is equal to 0.2. Answer is option C. 13 is option C only. Alright, question number 14. In a simultaneous throw of pair of dice, the probability of getting a total more than 7. Okay, so total more than 7 means you should get total 8 plus total 9 and so on up to total 12. So on up to total 12. Okay, so just now I taught you, right? Sum is equal to, minimum sum is 2, maximum is 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so sample space is equal to, when two dice are rolled, sample space is equal to 1, 1 to 1, 6 and so on up to 6, 1 to 6, 6. So 6, 1 to 6, 6 when two dice are rolled. Right now 5 on the left, 5 on the right, middle term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle term is 7th term only. So this will be sum. This is sum, this is probability. Okay, now this is equal to 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, probability will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7, 8, 9, 10. Come in the reverse order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you write this is 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, write the sum, write the probability, write in the reverse order. And probability of getting sum 8, total 36, right? Total is 36. Okay, probability of getting sum 8. Sum 8 is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 1 to 5 is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is 15, right? 15 by 36. If I divide by 3, 3 5s, 3 5s, 3 into 12, 5 by 12. Answer is option C. Right? Question number 14. If A and B are mutually exclusive, we'll take this as capital B. What is P of A union B? Mutually exclusive means nothing is common. A intersection B is a null set. If A intersection B is a null set, means probability of A intersection B should be 0. Okay, now I am supposed to find out what is P of A or B. A or B means A union B. This is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Since mutually exclusive means this fellow is null set, this is 0. P of A is 3 by 5, this is 1 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is 8 by 10, which is 0.8. Answer is option A. Right? Question number 15. Sorry, question number 16. A bag contains 17 tickets numbered from 1 to 17. A ticket is drawn at random, then another ticket is drawn without replacing the first. Probability that both will show an even number. 1 to 17 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, probability that A is equal to first odd number, first even number, or even number in the first draw. Even number in first draw, and B is equal to even number in the second draw. Even number in the second draw. Probability of A intersection B will be equal to probability of first into probability of second given first. Probability of drawing first even number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 numbers are there. Probability of drawing first even number is 8 by 17. Probability of drawing a second even number, given that the even number is first even is drawn in the first draw. So probability of drawing second number, it is given without replacing the first. Probability of drawing second even number is 7 by 16. So this will cancel 2 times. Okay, you get 7 divided by 34, 17 into 2, first option. Is it clear, guys? So probability of drawing first even number is 8 by 17. So 8 will cancel with 8. 8 will cancel 16 2 times. You get 7 by 34 only. Right, that is the first option. Question number 17. A flashlight has 10 batteries, out of which 4 are dead. if 3 batteries are selected without replacement, so you can't use Bernoulli's theorem. Bernoulli's theorem is defined only for with replacement. So 3 batteries are selected without replacement and tested. The probability all are dead. That is probability that the first dead battery, second dead battery, third dead battery. Okay, that is probability of drawing. A is equal to event of drawing first dead battery, in first draw, battery in first draw. And B is equal to drawing second dead battery in second draw. C is equal to drawing third dead battery in third draw. Right, so this is probability of first, probability of second given first, and probability of third given the first two. The probability of drawing first dead battery. Okay, 4 out of 10 are dead batteries, right? So this means that 4 by 10. Probability of drawing second dead battery is 3 by 9. Probability of drawing third dead battery is 2 by 8. Alright, 4 into 2 is 8. 3 will cancel with this 3 times. You will get 1 by 30. Answer is option A. Is this clear, guys? If 3 batteries are selected without replacement and tested, the probability all 3 are dead ones. First should be dead battery, second should be dead battery, and the third should be a dead battery. It is without replacement. So do one by one. Use multiplication theorem on probability. Okay, question number 18. I'm supposed to find the value of K. Sum of all probabilities is 1, right? Sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. Okay, so this is K minus 1. This is K minus 1 plus 3K plus K plus 3K plus 3K square plus K square plus K square plus K is equal to 1. That is, sum of all probabilities will be equal to 1. Now if I simplify this is 5K square. Okay, so this is K plus 3K is 4K, 4K plus K is 5K, 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 9K, okay, and then minus 2 is equal to 0. If you shift here, okay, now this is 9, right? If I add, I should get 10. 10 minus 1 will be 9. You multiply, you get minus 10. This should be written as 5K square plus 10K minus K minus 2 is equal to 0. Take 5K common, you will get this as K plus 2. Take minus 1 common, K plus 2 is equal to 0. Take K plus 2 out, left out is 5K minus 1 is equal to 0. We get K is equal to minus 2 and K is equal to 1 by 5. K equal to minus 2 is not possible. K is equal to 1 by 5. Answer is option C. Okay, question number 19. See, I am supposed to find out what is P of A dash given B, right? This is P of A dash intersection B divided by P of B. This is same as B intersection A dash divided by P of B. This will be A. This is B. This fellow is A intersection B. This is A but not B. This is B but not A. Okay, now P of B intersection A dash is equal to, I take full P of B minus P of A intersection B. I'll subtract this. So this fellow is equal to P of B minus P of, this is P of B minus P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Right, now this can be written as P of B divided by P of B minus this is P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Isn't it, guys? This should equal to 1 minus P of A given B. A given B is P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Now this is equal to 1 minus, what is P of A given B given? A given B is 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Answer is option D. Is it clear, guys? Okay, let's move to the next question. Just a sec. Okay, question number 20. N is equal to 6 given, right? P of x is equal to R is equal to NCR P power R and Q to the power of N minus R. Right, according to the question, P of x is equal to 2 is equal to 12 and P of x is equal to 3 is equal to 5. P of x is equal to R is equal to NCR. N is equal to 6. This is NCR P power R. P power R Q to the power of N minus R is equal to 12. Again, this is P of x is equal to R is NCR P power R Q to the power of N minus R is equal to 5. NCR means 62. Right, now 62 is equal to 50, 62 is 15 P square, and then this is Q to the power 4 is equal to 12. Okay, and then 63 is 20 P cube, and then this is Q cube is equal to 5. Call this is equation 2. Okay, now I'm going to divide equation 1 by equation 2. This is 15 P square Q to the power of 4 divided by 20 P cube Q cube is equal to 12 by 5. If you divide by 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, and then 3 will cancel with this 4 times. Right, so this becomes, if I simplify this left side, okay, q power 4 by q cube is q, right? So this is q by p is equal to, if I cross multiply 4, it is 16 by 5, isn't it, guys? And I'm supposed to find out what's the value of p. So I should eliminate q, right? Q is equal to 1 minus p, right? Because p plus q is 1. Success plus failure will be equal to 1. Okay, from this q will be equal to 1 minus p by p is equal to 16 by 5. 5 minus 5p is equal to 16p. So 5 is equal to 21p. 5 by 21 is equal to p. Answer is option C. Isn't it, guys? I guess this was asked in a 2019 paper. Question number 21. Again, question on Bayes theorem. A man speaks the truth 2 out of 3 times. Okay, he picks one natural number from in the set 1 to 7 and reports that it is even. What is the probability it is actually even? Okay, now I'll take like this. Capital A is equal to event of getting an even number. and B is equal to getting an odd number. So I'll take this as E1 and E2. Let's say this is E1, this is E2. The probability of E1 is equal to probability of getting an E1 number, that is 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, that's 3 by 7. P of E2 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 7, odd number is 4 by 7. Okay, so P of E1, P of E2. Now E is equal to, man reports that it's an even number. Man reports that it is even. Now if I take suppose like this, probability of E given even. Man reports that it's an even and it's actually even. So he speaks truth only, right? He speaks truth 2 out of 3 times. So this is 2 by 3. P of E given E2. Man reports it's an even number, but it is not even. So 1 minus 2 by 3 will be equal to 1 by 3. If he speaks the truth 2 out of 3 times, lie will be 1 out of 4 times. Okay, then the probability that it is actually even. So if I should find out probability of E1 given E, this theorem, probability of E1 given E is equal to P of E given E1 into P of E1 divided by E given E1 into P of E1 plus P of E given E2 P of E given E2 into P of E2. Okay, and that's equal to E given E1 is 2 by 3, P of E1 is 3 by 7. Again, this is 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. E given E2 is 1 by 3, P of E2 is 4 by 7. So this will cancel. You will get 6 divided by 6 plus 4. That is 6 by 10, which is 3 by 5. Okay, answer is option D. So it's a question on Bayes theorem. Question number 23. Sorry, question number 22. Two letters are chosen from the letters. Anu, are you there in the there on the platform? Are you there live? These are actually PYQs. Actually, these are PYQs of KCET and Comedk. Right, and they are not exemplar questions. Some questions they are picked from exemplar, but these are PYQs from 2004 to 2000. Actually, syllabus got changed in 13. 14 was the first batch who wrote an NCERT syllabus. So you will find questions from 2014 to 2022. All right, two letters are chosen from the letters of the word equation. Okay, then the probability that one is vowel and the other is consonant. If you take letters of the word equation, vowels are A, U, A, E, I, O, U. All 5 are there, right? So this is A, E, I, O, U. All 5 are there. Consonants are Q, T, N. And S as well. Equations, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Equations, a 9-letter word. 5 vowels, 4 consonants. That's right. The probability that one should be vowel and other should be the consonant. So P of A is equal to 1 is a vowel, so 5C1, and 1 is a consonant, 4C1. Total 9 letters are there. 5 plus 4, that is total is 9C2. 1 vowel, 1 consonant, 2 letters. 5C1 is 5, 4C1 is 4. 9C2 is 9 into 8 upon 2 into 1. It will cancel 4 times and cancel 4 as well. Answer will be equal to 5 by 9. Answer is option B. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 22. I'm done with 22. Question number 23. Okay, ABC are 3 mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. This means that sum of all probabilities should be 1, right? P of A plus P of B plus P of C should be equal to 1. Okay, now I'm supposed to find out what is P of B. P of A is equal to 2P of B, right? So this is 2P of B plus P of B plus this is P of C. 2P of B is equal to 3P of C. This can be written as 2 by 3P of B is equal to P of C. This is 2 by 3P of B is equal to 1. Right, and now if I take LCM 3, the 6P of B plus 3P of B plus 2P of B is equal to 1. Okay, now 6 plus 5 is 11. 11P of B is equal to 3. Now P of B is equal to 3 by 11. Answer is option A. Is it clear, guys? Take sum of all probabilities and then you simplify, you will get the answer. Right? Question number 24. The probability of solving a problem by 3 persons ABC independently is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. So this is A solving is 1 by 2. B solving is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, and C solving is equal to 1 by 3. Then the probability of the problem is solved by any two of them. That is, A will solve, B will solve, C will not solve. Again, A will solve, B will not solve, C will solve. Or A will not solve, B will solve and C will solve. Okay, now probability of A solving is 1 by 2, probability of B solving is 1 by 4, probability of C not solving is 1 minus 1 by 3. Let me find here itself so that directly I can substitute. P of A bar is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. P of B bar is 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. And P of C bar is 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. So P of C bar is equal to 2 by 3. P of A is equal to 1 by, P of A is half, P of B bar 3 by 4, and P of C is 1 by 3. Again, P of A bar is 1 by 2, P of B is equal to 1 by 4. This is 1 by 3. Okay, LCM is same, right? LCM is 12, 4, 3, LCM is 24. So 2 plus 3 plus 1, which is 6 by 24. 6 by 24 is equal to 1 by 4. That's the last option, D. Okay, question number 25. Alright, follow carefully. It's a question on Bayes theorem. Good question which was asked in 21 paper only, I guess. 2020 paper. Okay, P of E2 given E. P of E2 given A is equal to 1 by 2. This is P of A given E2 into P of E2 divided by P of A given E2 into P of E2 plus P of A given E1 into P of E1, which is equal to 1 by 2. A given E2 is already given 2 by 3. P of E2 is 1 by 2. Again, this is 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. P of A given E1, I don't know. That's what I'm finding. This is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 I'll take common and cancel. Okay, now if I take LCM 2, LCM 3 here. If I take LCM 3 and simplify, this becomes 2 divided by 2 plus 3 P of A given E1 is equal to 1 by 2. I skip one step. I took LCM 3. It will get cancelled. It's understood. Now if I cross multiply, you will get 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 times P of A given E1. Okay, and then you get 2 by 3 is equal to P of A given E1. Okay, now I'm supposed to find out what is P of E1 given A. P of E1 given A is equal to A given E1 into P of E1. Okay, again this is P of A given E1 into P of E1 plus P of A given E2 into P of E2. Right, now I'll substitute the values. A given E1 is 2 by 3, P of E1 is 1 by 2. Again this is 2 by 3 and 1 by 2. A given E2 okay, A given E2 is 2 by 3, right? Yeah, that is 2 by 3. Yeah, it is lengthy only, but it was a previous KCET question only. This is also 2 by 3. This is 1 by 2. Okay, this will cancel. 2 by 3 will cancel with 2 by 3. So this is half. Half plus half is 1. You will get the answer as half. Answer option C. Alright, it was asked in KCET paper only. You can check the 2020. I guess 2020 or 19 KCET paper only it was asked. Alright, let's do one more question. P of A given P of B is equal to 3 by 5, right? And P of A given B is equal to 1 by 2. Now P of A given B is P of A intersection B divided by P of B, which is equal to 1 by 2. If I cross multiply, P of A intersection B is equal to half into P of B. Okay, so P of A intersection B is equal to half into 3 by 5, which is equal to 3 by 10. Right, now if I use this data, P of A union B is equal to 4 by 5. That is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is equal to 4 by 5. P of A I don't know. That's what I'm supposed to find out. P of B is 3 by 5. Intersection is 3 by 10. And which is equal to 4 by 5. P of A is equal to 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 10. If I take LCM 10, it will be 8 minus 6 plus 3, which is 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. Answer is option B. Right? So I'll stop here, guys. I'll continue this part 2 of this in my next session. That is tomorrow. I'll continue with this. Right? Part 2 of this session I'll continue in the next class. I mean tomorrow I have scheduled. Right? And then tomorrow I'll do the most expected PYQs of part 5 as well. Right? So until then, take care, guys. Go through your basics properly and work hard for your exam on this 20th of this May. Right? And be strong and work hard, guys. Right? So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe this channel and do share this video, guys. Thank you.